Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can save the Microsoft Excel file to the desktop. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So I have this Excel file from here, and in order to save this on the desktop, all you have to do is look at the ribbon at the top, and here you will find all these tabs. Now we have to simply click on the File tab, and here you'll find the option Save As. Click on that. Click on Browse. And here we just need to simply look for desktop. Okay. Then for the file name, let me just simply change this to. Okay. So you can simply type your file name from here and then click on Save. Now once done, let's go to the desktop to confirm if we have saved this Excel file on the desktop. Okay, let's close this. And here we can find this one, My File. So we have just saved this on the desktop. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily save an Excel file to your desktop. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.